If Microsoft Outlook keeps closing automatically a few minutes after opening, the issue is usually caused by an outdated version or a recent software bug. Here's how to fix it. First, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're connected to the internet. Also a good idea to close other Office apps like Word or Excel before updating. Once Outlook opens, click on File in the top left corner. Then select Office account or Microsoft 365 account, depending on your version. On the right side, look for Update options. Click on it and choose Update Now. Outlook will then start checking for the latest updates and install any available fixes. During the update process, Office apps may close automatically. That's normal. Just wait for the installation to finish, then reopen Outlook. In many cases, updating Outlook fixes the issue and stops the app from crashing or closing after a few minutes. You should also make sure your computer is fully updated since system updates can affect Outlook stability as well. If you don't see the update option or the problem continues after updating, the issue may be related to your organization's settings or a deeper Office problem that may require repair or IT support. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.